I, for one, believe that it's very safe to fly. I'm flying tomorrow. I have no hesitancy to see my family fly. If you look at the data, certainly there was no domestic commercial crash before this one until we go back to 2009 in the Colgan crash in Buffalo, New York, where I had the good fortune of representing many families there as well. The data can be skewed about the safety of flying versus the safety of all other modes of transportation because, yes, aviation is one of the safest ways of transport. The problem is that survivability is very low as it relates to an aviation disaster. Flying is safe. We should not be afraid of it. But, in my world, we talk about graveyard engineering. And what I mean by that is that things will get safer as a consequence of these poor people perishing. Oftentimes, it's the case that families say, look, I don't want my husband to have died in vain. I want to know what's going to come out of this that's going to be positive so that this kind of disaster doesn't occur the next time. The big brouhaha after the Colgan crash is we learned how they were working these pilots like dogs. They were making them work excessive hours. They were depriving them of sleep. They weren't giving them good meals. All of those things were taking place. And are you really exercising the highest duty of care when you're making your pilots work 20 hours a day and you're giving them a hot dog for dinner? I don't think so. Well, those rules have now changed. There will be safety improvements here because of American Eagle Flight 5342. What exactly those will be, I don't know. But hopefully the FAA will listen to the safety recommendations of the NTSB, and there will be some.